I'll go over some of the tells of a fake Logitech mouse, or specifically a fake Logitech G102 mouse versus a legitimate Logitech G102 mouse. One of them is authentic and one is fake. Can you guess which one is fake? If you guessed the one on the left, then you chose correctly. This one is the fake one, and the one on the right is the legitimate one. And one thing you might notice is the size of the logo. The logo is bigger on the fake one and smaller on the authentic version of the mouse, or the authentic mouse. Another thing is the light itself. As you can see, I just touched this mouse again and the color just changed abruptly. That is a sign that it's, I guess, low quality and fake. On the other one, on the authentic mouse, the color is strong and here it's weak, both on the logo and especially the strip around the mouse. But on the authentic one, the logo and the strip around has a really even and strong color. It's really vibrant and it also changes or transitions evenly. That is another tell. So the logo being bigger on the fake one and then smaller on the left one, and also the fact that the strip on the fake one has really weak lighting, while on the authentic one the lighting is strong and even. Those are two tells. A third tell to know if a mouse or Logitech G102 mouse is fake or not is the sensor. As you can see, the sensor is lighting up and it's also just turning off and going on and off. The light is just on and off, and that is a sign that it's fake. On the authentic one, there's no light at all, even though it's plugged in. As you can see, both of them are plugged in because they both have power, but this sensor doesn't show any light, and I'm assuming, without knowing a lot about sensors, that that means that the sensor is high quality. And those would be the tells. A fourth tell is installing a G-Hub and then seeing if G-Hub recognizes the mouse. If it's recognized, then it's legit. If it doesn't, then it's probably fake or at least faulty. And those are the tells. One thing I quickly want to mention is that the feeling of the fake mouse actually isn't bad at all. I mean, the way it feels just using it doesn't feel bad at all. It feels very similar to the legitimate one, actually. There's just a slight difference in the feeling of material, but that is very small. They both feel good. I would say that the authentic one definitely feels better, but there isn't a huge difference, in my opinion. But the main thing is the longevity. Even though they might feel the same or pretty similar, I've had the fake mouse for 2 months now, and I just got the authentic one today. And the fake mouse has lasted me 2 months, and already the left click is dying on me. For every 10 clicks, one click does not register, and it's really annoying. And that's why I got the new one. That's why I decided to buy the authentic one, because I knew that it's just not worth it. A mouse or any equipment that you spend money on dying on you after just 2-3 months is just not worth it. So even though the fake mouse was 1/3 of the price of the original one, it's still not worth it. I would have to buy another one already if I wanted to continue to use the cheap one, because like I said, the left click is already dying on me. So those are the tells, and that is kind of my review and my also general thoughts on the mouse and how it operates. But I strongly suggest that you get the authentic one if you decide to buy a mouse. Not just this mouse, but any mouse.